Have you ever just wanted more restful sleep? I'm asking because that was me for a long time. I'm Ree with WTI, and I thought I tried everything out there, but nothing really lasted. Until I tried the Sleep Reset using the MindSync method by Trisha Grenser. And it's really so much more than just a workbook. What stood out to me right away is that it approaches sleep completely different than anything else I had come across. Instead of a hard regimen or a list of rules, it helps me understand how sleep actually unfolds before I even got to the workbook itself. That alone shifted so much for me. I could feel the difference. It walks you through a gentle 21-day process where you read a little each day and simply make observations. Nothing about it felt overwhelming. For instance, one day, it had me simply notice where I was holding tension in my shoulders. And honestly, I didn't think something that small could matter. But that night was the first time I slept through the night and woke up actually feeling rested. My hope is that if sleep has felt frustrating for you too, this gives you something to try that is simple, gentle, and really works. And that's my point of view.